Hey guys, welcome back. So thanks for watching many my videos. I have seen so many people watching it and a few people commented as well. So thanks a lot. And today I'm gonna make tofu scramble. Tofu scramble is a substitute you can say for an egg scramble, and it can be used multiple ways. So that is what we're gonna start making today. So to make tofu scramble, you will need onions. You're going to chop them, then garlic, chop them, green chilies chop, and green pepper if you want. You can chop that as well. And then we're going to take some tofu and scramble it before we start cooking. And we just want to use 3 spices today: cumin powder, red chili, and turmeric powder, and a little bit of black salt if you want, and a dash of lemon juice, and that's it. So to begin with, first we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil or the vegan butter that you use, and put it on the stove. And we just wanna let it heat a little bit. So after that, we're gonna put the garlic and the green chili in it. Once the oil is hot, start cooking. For the prep time, it took me about 15 minutes to chop everything, and for the cooking it might just take about 5-7 minutes, and that's it. So that's something I really love about it. It's so easy to cook and it has many ways that you can consume it. So we're going to start with the garlic, and once you see it turning a little bit of golden brown, after a minute or so, we're gonna add the other stuff in it. So first of all, we're gonna add some onions. There is pretty much no limitation on the vegetables that you might want to put in. So if you want, you can add peas, you can add chopped carrots as well, and anything else if you like. Just throw it in it and let it go. So we're gonna let the onions cook until they are golden brown as well. When we started thinking about this video, we had a debate of whether this powder is called turmeric powder or turmeric powder. And there are a lot of videos with the pronunciation of both. So I'm just going to go with turmeric because that's what I'm used to. But either way, in my mother tongue Hindi, it's called haldi. And you cannot confuse it, so don't worry about it. So once you see the onions taking on a little bit of the golden color, we're going to add green pepper in it. You don't want to cook them too much because I like to have the natural taste and a bit of, the crunchiness of the green pepper and the onions. So I'm not going to cook them a lot, just for about a minute. So now we're going to add the spices. So first we'll take some cumin powder. It up. After that, we're gonna add just a little bit of red chili powder. This one is extra spicy as per the label on the back. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it, not too much, because I don't really like too much spicy food. Now, we're gonna add some turmeric powder. Don't add it too much because it's very dominating otherwise. So you want to make sure you don't add too much of the spices. That's one thing I have learned was, like, I've been cooking about a year, and one thing I have learned is that most of the things you can add later on if they are less, but if they are too much, it's very hard to change the outcome. So we'll go easy on that. So now we're gonna add the tofu scramble. Then we're gonna add some black salt or Himalayan rock salt. It up. So you will notice that all of it will start becoming of a uniform color because of the turmeric powder, and that's when you know, like, it has been mixed nice and well. So make sure you give it a nice stir because you don't want the spices to be concentrated on just one side. You want it like equally distributed everywhere. And if you see some lumps of tofu, you can crumble them. So we don't really need any more heat right now, so I'm just going to close it off. Give it a final stir. So you can add any sauces such as sriracha or a little bit of ketchup if you want in the end, or if any other sauce that you like the flavor of, you can mix it up right now. And so this is how the tofu scramble looks in the end. As you can see, I just taken out it in a box, and when you're done, just add a little bit of the lemon drops on the top and just mix it up, and it's good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like it. You can use it for whatever thing you like. You can make sandwich, wrap, and many more things. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like it, and I hope I have given you something new to try, because that's just the focus of it. And I really would like if you can share the video, and if you really like the video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Thank you.